Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2025 Chrysler Voyager that we just had upfitted with a manual rear ramp for a wheelchair. So let's have a look. This one is like a red metallic color. It's really pretty. Has the black mirrors on it. This key fob here can do everything. Lock it, unlock it, remote start. And then you can open both of the sliding doors. This. And the back hatch will also open up. So it's leather interior. These seats will fold down. And then this channel here has room for 2 wheelchairs. And it has the anchors in the floor for 2 wheelchairs, but it only comes with 1 set of the tie downs. A few straight tie downs here. It's like a fancy ratchet strap here. Push this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Push this red tab here, and you can pull this strap out. And then you push that red button, and it'll pull it back in. Then you can use the key fob to close the door like there, or you can just push this button right here. There's also a button inside that will do it as well, up by the rear view mirror where the driver can do it. So here in the back is the ramp. It's all manual. And this door only has like 7 pounds of force. There's a piston inside that assists it, so it's really easy to lift up and down. You can do it with your foot. Then you've got the heavy duty rubber flooring in here. Just roll the wheelchair right up. Again, this is a 2025 Chrysler Voyager. It's been upfitted with a manual rear ramp. This is all ADA compliant, so you could use this for a business if you did like non-emergency wheelchair transporting. Use it as like a taxi or something. Hit that button there, close it. This does have a reverse camera right here. Also has reverse sensors in the back bumper. And down the side again, this is a brand new van. It does have the passive entry, so if you just walk up with the key fob, you can unlock the doors. It also has a blind side indication system here, so if someone's in your blind spot, that's gonna light up. Lock it here and hop inside. We got power seats here. Power windows, obviously. Auto headlights. Got Bluetooth controls here. Cruise controls here. This has the Uconnect 5 system, so it's this huge touch screen here. Very high resolution. Have heated seats here, heated steering wheel. This also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can pair your phone to this, and then whatever nav is on your phone is going to be mirrored to this screen. And here's these buttons I was telling you about. You can open and close the doors from the key fob right inside the door, or from overhead here. And you've got climate controls for the rear right up there. And then when you put this into reverse, turn that knob there, and then massive reverse camera display. Go ahead and back this thing up. Again, we are Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. I'm Chad the Van Man. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans out here in our inventory, the first comment beneath this video is a link to its listing and a link to my personal information, Chad the Van Man. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.